Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can create a client funnel in monday.com. So first of all, there are two ways to do so. First one is manual, which I do not really recommend, especially if you're a beginner, and the second one is by using a pre-created template in monday.com. So to use that template, under main workspace, click this blue button, then click choose from templates. Here you have to search for a client and you get these two templates. We're going to use the first one, client campaign for agencies, use template. So basically this template says that it is for agencies, but you can literally customize it for any business you have. So this template has provided us with four boards with campaign dashboard, campaign tracking and status, campaign requests, and client directory, and we can manage our respective data in these boards. Like in campaign dashboards, we get a calendar, budget, spend, and basically everything to manage our budget. And here we get campaign tracking and status, and we can manage our upcoming campaigns, our live campaigns completed, and campaign requests and client directory. So this is how you set up a client funnel or campaign funnel in monday.com. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.